It's recording.
That mama bird might not be too pleased. Let's see. What happened to the plastic? Oh, there it is. You can see the bird building its nest with plastic.
Yeah. That might be it right there. Oh, there's a bee. Oh, or is it a butterfly?
Paper.
Paper. Plastic.
Napkins, which may or may not be bleached. Some kind of fabric. Yeah, you can observe and see that the birds are indeed building their nests with plastic and trash, because it's gotten to that point. And we'll leave the nest as it is, because the mother may be expecting. Oh, look. You can see the pieces that didn't make it. Oh, no, nothing. Hot tub guy's here.
Oh, good. You're gonna stay with him? Well,
Yeah, I'll stay with him.
that way you can learn how to do it.
Yeah.
Hey, just come on in. All right, how are you? Good.
Plastic, paper, and plastic.
For you.
Okay. Okay.